Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you SiriusXM how to refresh car radio. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So to refresh your SiriusXM signal and update your car radio, first option is refresh online. So to do it, head over and open up your web browser, then on the search bar type in SiriusXM.com/refresh. Now this will take you to the Sirius.com refresh page. Now all you gotta do is enter your radio ID. You can find it by simply tuning to the channel 0 on your SiriusXM radio or checking your vehicle's manual or settings. Then once done, click send refresh signal. Then turn on your vehicle and tune to channel 1 or any live channel. Make sure the radio is on and not in use for anything else, example Bluetooth during the refresh. Leave it on for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Then next option is to text to refresh mobile option. Simply head over and open up your messaging app, and then there simply text in refresh and then send it to 77917 on your mobile phone. SiriusXM will send you a link. Click the link and follow the instructions to refresh your radio. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.